Welcome back to the channel, guys. So far, this is the paint restoration. We're gonna say, as I say it all the time, it's me and you. We did like almost, I'm gonna say 70% from the car. And so far, I'm gonna show you the difference between before and after. And you can tell by the door and the fender. I still have the front of the car, I didn't finish the left side yet. It's the driver's side. And so far, that's the progress in the bend. We have a small bad spot from the sun because it's faded, and because also we don't know the history of the paint, how many layers, how's the clear coat and all of that stuff. You're gonna see it in the video. And the other thing we discovered about the car, originally it's not a black. Originally she is, as my wife named it. We're gonna release the name, but not now. She was green. And I'm gonna show you the spot for where it's faded from the sun, and it's here. You can see it, it's a small spot here, and also it's another spot here. That's from the wheel, because the paint here is not thick, and the clear coat is not thick, and it's a scratch from all of these elementary stuff from the weather. This spot came like bad with the buffing. You have to be like so careful with it. And another thing, you see this fender, it's, to me, I didn't like it, because also of the paint, how it's look like. This is the fender after plenty of steps into it, and this is the other fender. You can tell the difference in the color between that one and this one. And also you can tell this is the original color for the car. It's in this spot because I bought the bracket for the light. It's green. And whoever did the paint job for this car, I'm sorry, dude, you did a horrible job for a classic car. And that's it, guys. And you will see everything in the video. And let's wish we will finish it today, because finally, after 2 months working with the DMV, I get my registration. We're gonna finish the paint of the car, and we hope we will take the car this week out. Hey! For anyone who ever worked in these, whoever worked on the top, if he can give me any idea how to fix it, I will appreciate it, because I'm having a hard time here. And also someone recommend for me, you can paint it with the sealer. It came like they make it for these cars. If someone know any information or anything how to do it, drop a comment below or hit me in my email. The email is gonna be like in the description down below also. And I'm gonna show you a picture. We're gonna put like a picture for the crack in the back. The owner of the car who I bought it from, or they bought it from, whoever who was owning the car, he fixed it, but in a horrible way. I use this light to see how was the paint and how was my work and all of that stuff. I did 2 steps on the door from here and down. I didn't finish the other. So far, I don't know if you can see it from the camera location or no. You can see the mark. Whoever washed this car or whoever sanded it before, he did it in a circle. you don't have to do it. This is like so pro. And I try to restore it how much I can. I'm gonna say maybe it's like 70% now. Better than before. It was faked like this, and now it's like this. This is how much I can to do. Anything more than that one I cannot. And I hope everyone will enjoy watching the video. And thank you again for watching the video. And please, if you like all of this stuff, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to see another video dropping in the channel. And the next video we're gonna tow a nice specialty car. We're gonna do it, and it's let us keep it secret, and you will watch it in the video. See you soon, guys. Have a nice night to me. I don't know, wherever you are in the world. Have a nice day.